Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. You see, I'm in the kitchen as per usual, but today is a work day, and I usually don't film on work days, but today I have to take Noah to the doctor. So I'm going to put something in the crock pot so that we can have something to eat when we get back this afternoon. And I wanted to bring you along. So come on and let's make some ham bone soup and some bread in our new bread maker. Most of you know that I am still in the workforce, but I work from home. And Peepaw and I have this thing down to a science with the children being here during the week, and we have to get them ready for school. So on days like today, when I am really knowing that I'm going to be busy either personally or professionally or both, I usually make sure that I'm up early and getting things done. And sometimes I do plan to have crock pot meals. This is one of them. And I'm using that ham bone that I had for New Year's Day. For our dinner, we had ham. And that bone is going to serve a good purpose for making a new meal for this week. So I'm going to get this soup started by chopping up some onion, a medium-sized onion, 3 potatoes, and 3 cloves of garlic. That's all the chopping I have to do. That's what's beautiful about making a soup. You can see I've added my ham bone and my potatoes and onions. I got to chop up my other 2 potatoes. But now I'm adding 4 cups of water that I've mixed better than bouillon with. It's about 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon paste. I love that stuff. And I will add my frozen mixed vegetables, about 1.5 cups of that. So I have some great white northern beans that I've soaked, and they've only soaked for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. I'm poured the water off of them, and I'm adding them to my pot. You see my pot is getting full now. We got a lot of stuff going on in here. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 bay leaves to the pot, and we're going to remove these before we serve our soup. Okay, let's set our pot to 6 hours on high. Okay, so this is my new bread maker that the great one gave me, or Peepaw gave me for Christmas. And yes, I do accept appliances for Christmas gifts because he has been known to give really good gifts. One of them is that KitchenAid mixer that has held me in good stead for a long time. Anyway, I digress. The recipe for the bread is for any standard bread maker. I put in 12 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk powder or powdered milk. I'm going to put in 3 cups of flour And on top of all of that, I will put in my yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Oh, and I forgot, I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I have gotten my dinner ready, or at least prepared and getting cooked. I'm getting ready to go downstairs to go to work for a few hours. Then I'm gonna take off and go take Noah to the doctor. But I'll be back to show you my soup and my bread. See y'all in a few. So Peepaw cut my bread before I got back home. Noah and I were on the road, but here is the soup, and we're getting ready to go have dinner. Put me some ham in my bowl, and we're going to enjoy. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.